Are you tired to replacing or mounting new tires on your buses and trucks? Or it is taking too much human efforts and cost? So to solve this problem, Dato launched new commercial vehicle tire changer machine. Dato TCH 4200. This tire changer machine from Dato is an innovative design, compiling the swift and easy operation of the light-duty tire changer. Dato Tire Changer is reducing the human efforts and labor in replacing or mounting new tires on a commercial vehicle. Some machine damage your tire while replace or mount the tire on rim, but Dato Tire Changer machine have the extended reach of the clamping jaw, providing rigid support to the rims aids to not damage the tires while mounting. Quick and simple operation, provided with remote control for ease of using the machine. Dato TCH 4200 most commonly features for the truck and bus, clockwise and anti-clockwise rotation. Double speed of both pump and rotating motor, electro-hydraulic operation, movable controlling unit, hydraulic motor with pressure adjustment device. For more detail, contact us on www.datotech.de.